Welcome to 1272 Hayes Drive. This luxury custom-built home sits on half an acre in the highly sought-after Forest Hills neighborhood of Smyrna, Georgia. Built in 2021 by renowned builder J.W. Hall, this exceptional home offers 6 bedrooms, 5 full bathrooms, and over 5,000 square feet of living space, and there's so much more. So take a moment and follow me through. As you step inside through these grand double front doors, the attention to detail is immediately evident. You're welcomed by a spacious entryway with custom wall slats, gleaming hardwood floors, and soaring ceilings. To your right, you'll find a versatile office with elegant glass double doors that could also function as a main floor guest room. The main level is designed with an open concept layout, seamlessly connecting from the kitchen to the living room and the sunroom. The modern kitchen features custom lighting and overlooks the bright sunroom, which makes a perfect spot to unwind or entertain. The living room is warm and inviting, with a cozy gas fireplace and a state-of-the-art Google Nest system to manage your home effortlessly. From your indoor living space, you step outside to the screened-in porch that opens to an expansive backyard. There's plenty of room to add your own pool alongside existing features like a pergola, fire pit, and custom planters. The multi-zone sprinkler system and drip irrigation ensure your landscaping stays lush and vibrant all year round. Moving upstairs, the primary suite is an absolute sanctuary with vaulted ceilings, adjustable blackout shades, and custom wood-shelved closets. This space is designed for ultimate comfort. The spa-like ensuite bathroom features dual shower heads, a soaking tub, and dual vanities. On this level, you'll also find 3 additional bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, plus a spacious laundry room with custom shelving and a sink for added convenience. Now let's head down to the lower level, which offers unmatched flexibility and entertainment options. This space features a state-of-the-art Sony 4K home theater projector and screen, a wet bar, and a luxurious Finnleo sauna for relaxation. The workout area is fully equipped and ready to inspire your fitness routine. There's also a flexible space with a full bathroom, perfect as an additional bedroom, office, or private guest suite. This home is not just a property, it's a lifestyle. Thank you so much for taking the time to tour this beautiful home with me. I know you loved it, so contact me for a private tour or more information.